So inside the email builder, we have a configuration file here, which allows us to specify which emails we want to send out. So we could, for example, say no to new user registered email, which is triggered when someone registers a user. Or for the verification email, we can say no to that, and so on. So basically, there's default configuration set out. We can also pass through different variables such as app name and app URL, which will be accessible automatically inside the application. So outside of that, we also have the languages here that we can specify. We can specify more than this, of course. We have default local, and that's going to be just British English. We can add in the name for the website and the URL and so on. We can add in the customer services with support email and phone number. And we can also go ahead and add the logos in here. And outside of that, we want to go into our user model now, and we want to make sure we say implements Filament user and must verify email. And then you can see in here with using must verify email, that allows us to verify email when the login. We can also send password reset notifications. Again, we can, as it says in here, specify translations. If we wanted to create a new email, not that we need it, I just want to show you how we could do that. So let's add one here, and let's call this test email. And all we have to do is just import this trait here, and then use build generic email. And then we need to specify the key. Let's make sure we put in a user here. Set this send to user. All right, let's take a look at how that looks inside here now. You can also go ahead and add attachments if that's what we want. Let's make sure this is actually being included. So in this case, we need to use mailable and build generic email. And then we need to specify the key in here. So let's go ahead and let's put test email in. We can just say hello example.com. We can choose the template. We can choose the theme. We can say good morning in here, for example, and just say hello world, hello world. And now we should be able to essentially send this email. And if you go in here, you can see this is all the themes we have. This is the currently active one. And in here, we then have the ability to specify the colors of the theme. And again, we can also put in the company logo and so on. So that's essentially how this package works. While it is primarily so easy to use that you don't really need to do much setup, I thought it's just important to show you how we can set this up So if you want to use it in your application, you have some ability to do that now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.